Hey beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So guys, today I will be unboxing my BoxyCharm base box for the month of August. If you are not familiar with this box offers 5 full-size products inside for $27.99 a month, and you get a mixture of makeup and skincare products. If you enjoy makeup and skincare, this may be a box you may be interested in if you have not already subscribed. So we're going to get right into my box here. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I do different subscription unboxings as well as luxury hauls. If that is something that you enjoy, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and you'll be up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But without further delay, guys, let's get into unboxing this box. Alright guys, so when I first pop her open, this is what she looks like. And we do get a little card, and it has a little theme for every month on here. And for this month, we have From Dusk Till Dawn. And I have variation C2208-055-BA, which is base box. On the back of our card here, it does give us information about our products as well as the value of our products that's in our box. So let's get into it. So guys, the first thing I'm pulling out, I have a Glow Recipe product. I love their line. So this is Glow Recipes Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. This is valued at $42. I have never tried this one before. I've tried the other skincare products and I love them. So guys, this product says reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated with retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. It's at long-lasting active releases to help moisturize, brighten, and fight the lines and depuff. So I think that's great. I love retinol products. I already tried them. So this is a little one, but you don't need a lot for eye creams. You only use like a little dab anyway on your face. But I cannot wait to try this. I love Glow Recipes line of products, so I'm sure I will enjoy this one as well. So let's move on to our next product. Now guys, I know there's a repeat in this box and I already know what it is, so I'm going to just get it out the way early. So I received the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. This has probably been sent to me in this box at least 3 times. I enjoy this Natasha Denona palette. I already have it. I did do my eyes today with the Natasha Denona palette. This is the one that I already own. So I really enjoy the pigments in here, and they're very easy to work with, even for somebody that may be not that familiar with putting on eyeshadow. But I did stack my colors today, and I started out with this color as my base. Let me flip it back. I started out with this color here as my base. And then my next color I went to was the red, and I put it on the sides and then the inner. And then I took my finger and I tapped in this color here on the middle of my eyeshadow. I tapped this color here on the end on the middle of my eyes to give it a nice shimmer, and kind of blended it in a little bit with my finger. But very easy palette to work with. This Cupid eyeshadow palette has a $48 value. If you have not tried any of Natasha Denona's palette, it's definitely worth you taking a look at her line. They're very pigmented, very well and easy to work with. And basically the verbiage that we have is that you have 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. And this 5-pan Cupid eyeshadow is all you need to create a range of romantic looks, from flirty to fierce. So I think that's very true. You can try different things out. You can stack them. You can wear them by yourself. It just depends on what your look is for that particular day. So if you haven't tried it out, pick up Natasha Denona's palette. and have a little fun with it. So I'm going to go on to our next item in my box here. I have a Boxy Beauty product here, and this is Basic Beauty Gel Liner Duo. So in here we have 2 liners. It says a duo. And this is valued at $24. So let me pop them out and show them to you. So these are the 2 lip liners that we received here, and they are gel liners. So they're creamy, long lasting, and hydrating. And it says these move, glide onto lips, and blend with little to no effort. I'm gonna just take a quick swatch of them on the back of my hand just to show you guys. And this is very easy to work with. I like how this goes on. I hope it shows up pretty good. I might need to make this a little bit thicker so you guys can see it. And let me do the second one. And they're very soft too. The tips of the crayons for this gel liner are very soft. Now this other one, I don't think you guys are going to see it on me because it matches my skin tone too well. So it almost disappears on me. But that's what these colors look like on me. So for 2 colors, value $24. Definitely worth a shot. So I will definitely put them in play in my regimen here for my beauty needs. And you can always have fun with them. Even this one that has almost disappeared on me, you can add like a glitter lip gloss or something to it and make it pop and have more of a nudie look. So you can do a lot of things with these. So it's not out because the color matches me. It's still in. It's still in. I can use it. So let's hit the next product I have in this box. So guys, the next product I have is Queen Studios Bow Down Brow Glue. Never heard of this. This has a $16 value, and it says command your brows. This easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula stays in place for 16 hours plus. It has a natural finish that works on any brow color. It's armed with a baby spoolie applicator. You sweep and shape your eyebrows into perfection. I think that's great for people that have eyebrow hairs left. I don't have many left. Let me take a look at this spoolie. Oh, it is a baby spoolie. Look at that. It really is. So it's a clear gel, guys, that you use to lock your brows into place. Very good idea. I think this would be an interesting product to try out. I could probably use it on what little hairs I have left, but I don't have many hairs left. But this is $18 value, guys. So I'm sorry, $16 value, guys, for that product. So guys, we are down to the last item of my box. So I have an Anastasia Starlight highlighter palette in here, and it says create multi-dimensional radiant glow. This is a velvety, soft, lightweight, illuminating formula that delivers stunning buildable highlights that can be worn day and night. And let me pop it out of here. This one, guys, has a $25 value, and it says this highlighter can complement all skin tones. Oh, this is a pretty color. Ooh, drop the plastic out of here. Let me flip it up. So guys, this is the color here. Very nice. I can't wait to try it. It almost looks rosy gold to me. It may look gold to you on the camera, but it looks more rosy gold to me in person. I'm going to take a quick swatch and put it on the back of my hand so I can show you guys. But this looks like it'll be fun to use. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, it looks pinky on my hand. Oh my, I like that. So guys, look at how that came out. I thought that came out really good. I think this would be fun to play around with. I can't wait to try this highlighter out in my regimen here. If I had a brush in here, I sure enough would put some of this on. This is very pretty. I really like this. Ooh, very nice. Okay guys, so we are at the end. So let me just do a quick wrap up of what we have. We have our Anastasia highlighter palette here valued at $25. We have our Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette valued at $48. We have our basic beauty gel liners here, valued at $24. We have Queen Studios Bow Down Brow Glue, valued at $16. And we have our Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, valued at $42. So this box here was definitely heavy on the makeup side. We have 4 makeup products. I think they were very well thought out. You got a highlighter, eyeshadow palette, lip liner, and brow gel. And then 1 skincare product. So guys, overall, I am pretty happy with this box. For $27.99, we got some great products in here. Definitely, some of these products are definitely more valuable than what we paid for the box. So, very high dollar products and very well known products, which is a plus for me. I like it when I get brands that I know and respect in my subscription boxes, because then you know you're getting good quality stuff, and I really enjoy that, and it opens me up to products that I have not tried before, as well as different products that they offer that I may have not even considered buying, but because it's in my box, I'll try it out, and I may find out I may like it, or I may not. So you never know. But guys, let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm base box if you received this. If you got some of the same items I did, please hit me up in the comments below and let me know. Have you guys been seeing a lot of repeats of this palette like me? I'm telling you, this is the 3rd one that I've received of this Natasha Denona. I like the palette. I just don't need 3 of the same exact ones. If they said some other colors, that would have been great. But to get the same one over and over again is kind of annoying. That part I do not like about subscription boxes. But guys, overall, I'm pretty pleased with my box other than a repeat. So this will be a gift for somebody. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider do. I do post weekly, and I do put out great content on this channel here, as you can stay up to date with me and not miss anything once you subscribe and click on the notifications, and you'll receive alerts every time I post. So guys, until next time, continue to have an awesome day. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep trying out all your makeup, and I will see you next time.